Children, today we are going to solve the problems in exercise 6.2. Question number 1. In figure 1 and 2, DE is parallel to BC. Find EC in first figure and AD in the second figure. The first figure is ABC. DE is parallel to BC. AD is given for you. DB, AE is given. You have to find what is EC. Now, when we come to the solution, we know DE is parallel to BC. Whenever a line is parallel to the third side, the sides are in equal ratio. So now, AD, according to the BPT theorem, we know AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So substituting these values, we get 1.5 by 3 is equal to 1 by EC. Now cross multiply, we get 1.5 into EC is equal to 1 into 3. That is nothing but 3. EC is equal to 3 by 1.5. When there is a decimal in the denominator, we have to multiply by 10 up in the numerator and the denominator, because there is only one decimal place here. So we get 30 by 15, that is nothing but 2. So EC is equal to 2 centimeter. The second figure is ABC is the triangle, same way DC is parallel to DE is parallel to BC. Here AD is not given, DB is given, AE is given, EC is given. So let us find the value of AD. You know very well the condition given is DE is parallel to BC. So according to the BPT theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Substituting these values in this, we get AD by 7.2 is equal to 1.8 by 5.4. So cross multiplication, we get 5.4 into AD is equal to 12.96. 7.2 into 1.8 is 12.96. So AD is equal to 12.96 by 5.4. So again there is a decimal place in the denominator, one decimal place. So we are multiplying up and down the numerator and the denominator by 10. So we get 129.6 by 54. That's nothing but 2.4 centimeter. So AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter. The next question is, E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. In each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. So the values are given. PE is 3.9 centimeter, EQ is equal to 3 centimeter, PF is 3.6 centimeter and FR is 2.4 centimeter. So now let us substitute this PE. First let us find what is PE by EQ. So now PE by EQ is equal to 3.9 by 3, that is nothing but 1.3 centimeter. Next let us take PF by FR. That is nothing but 3.6 by 2.4. So when we simplify, the divide by 12, we get 0.3 by 0.2. So this, when I multiply by 10 up and down, we get 30 by, into 10 up and down, we get 1.5 centimeter. So now 1.3 is not equal to 1.5. So PE by EQ is not equal to PF by FR. So when it is not equal, by the converse of BPT, we can say that EF is not parallel to QR. So next question is, PE is 4 centimeter, QE is 4.5 centimeter and RF is equal to 9 centimeter. So when I take the triangle, now PQR, same way PE is given, EQ is given, here PF, FR. So now PE is 4 and this is 4.5. So 4 by 4.5 is 8 by 9. Same way you have to change this decimal place into a whole number by multiplying by 10 in the numerator and the denominator. We get 8 by 9. Then again PF by FR is, it is already 8 by 9. So both are equal. So by the converse of BPT, we can say PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. That is, EF is parallel to QR. You should write by the converse of BPT in the brackets. Very important. Thank you. The next question is homework. That is third subdivision that you do as homework.